All right, good morning. It is March 3rd, 2021, Wednesday. It is log 42. Woke up. Actually, I kind of woke up with the cats again this morning. They were hungry around 7. And I just got out of bed around 9:30. Not feeling it today. Maybe I need some ukulele. Made me smile. All right. March 3rd, 2021, vlog 42. What happened yesterday? Woke up at 9:30. Same thing. We get into habits. It's kind of crazy. Did vlog 41. Got ready. Did my 100-day song. Day 31. Looking out my back door. Cool song. Actually, it's funny how I got to that song, I guess. I liked it. But in the beginning, I think it was like 2 years in playing ukulele. That was like one of my first live songs. And I jammed it out at the park. It's probably the best song I did. It's kind of crazy. I think I remembered it because I didn't mess up on it when I was playing live. All the other ones I did. Yesterday was okay. Just learned some stuff. It's weird how things just can change just like that. That's what I learned yesterday. Worked on some song sheets. Actually, did I do one? Oh yeah, I did a couple, and then I uploaded some new songs. I'm just working on rewriting the songs. It's taking some time, but it's good. I learn the songs more when I actually write them. Yesterday I was supposed to start editing, but I don't know. I was procrastinating. And then did some DIY follow-up calls. I think I have some hand pans that are going to be sold. Made some appointments. People want lessons. There's just stuff going on. And then, Hadley lesson. That was awesome. Had a Hadley lesson. She is doing so good. It's pretty amazing. You meet people. She's only 12 years old, but she feels like she's an old soul. It's crazy. I told her to take notes, and she takes notes. You're right. She was doing it yesterday. Yeah, I was transcribing my notes, and I was like, you're 12 years old, you know? It's kind of crazy. But I love it because she's going to learn so much, and she's so excited about ukulele. Very inspirational. And she can just, she just does it. And then she's getting it. Like We were talking. I started the 4 principles with her, and we were talking about it, and she totally got it. It was so crazy. I'm like, wow, and she totally gets it. So I'm excited for her. I cannot wait. I want to see what she is at the end of the year, where she is, and I think it's gonna be really nice. She's doing it. She said from the time she started learning till now, she had a story. Like, she goes, yeah, I was doing something and then it was good. Like, she goes, I didn't realize how much better I got. It's funny. And I feel that way too, because when I first started, I just put my head down and then you just get better. Kind of crazy. But anyways, today is some weird weather. Let's look at some weather today.
It's raining now.
Oh, it's raining. I was supposed to go film today, but I don't think that's going to happen.
Raining and thunderstorming. We're going to play Heads Up, 7 Up later.
There it is. There's the rain. All the way up till 12?
Yeah.
Oh, it started early. Yesterday it said it was going to be like till 2 to 3, but we'll see what happens. Wow, it was sunny as heck yesterday, and now it's rainy. Pretty gnarly. But that's what it looks like today. Wow, we're going to get some crazy weather at the end of the next week. Fun. Actually, I got Crystal. My mom sent me a picture of the new Cuzzy. And that's Magnus. That's Crystal's new baby. Look at the baby. I can touch the baby. Family. It's awesome. Family is awesome. Magnus, 2 weeks. Woo. So good. But other than that, let's see. What else is going on? I'm out of it today. It's the rain or whatever. What do I feel like talking about today? It's Thursday this week. Man, this time is flying. It's like March 3rd today. Oh my gosh. Yeah. I did my song yesterday. It was not looking out my back door. And looking at my songs, I just have a bunch, and it's kind of fun going back on the songs. It's just a trip. I'm just tripping out how many songs that I have done, and then now I'm gonna have it all in a book. It should be pretty cool. What else is going on today? I don't know. It's rainy, starting to rain right now, and I'm just not feeling it today, so might just have a short vlog. My brain's not working. Maybe I need more coffee. Let's see, what am I going to do today? Well, since it's raining, I probably do some vlogs. Oh, I did wash my clothes yesterday. I did get some clothes done. It's been a few weeks. I usually can last for a couple of weeks. It's when my underwear run out. Or my socks. That's when I have to do my clothes. But I did do my clothes yesterday. I'm trying to think of anything. I just can't think of anything right now. I'm so out of it. Today's Thursday. It's March 3rd, 2021. Not feeling it today. But it's okay. I'll be fine. And it's raining. Gosh darn it. Pretty awesome. I guess I could just look here and just drink my coffee. No, but I gotta have some follow-up calls to do. I'm gonna do some editing. I was supposed to go film with Tim, but that doesn't look like it's happening today. We have to finish his golf video for Sophia, and I'm trying to think of anything else. That's about it. I'm just rolling. Gotta make some money. Gotta make some music. Let's see. Oh yeah, I gotta do my song today. I don't even know what song I'm gonna do today, but I have one. I have some songs. Maybe I'll pull one out of the hat today. That'd be fun. Pull a song out of my hat. But honestly, this is all I have for me today. I can't think of anything else to say. My brain is not working. Hopefully it'll start working later. Lots of stuff on my mind. Gotta make some plans. But,
Wow.
Carrie, you got anything?
Holy shit, it's raining.
Holy shit, it's raining. That's what she's got.
It's coming down.
It's pouring rain.
It's pouring rain.
Well, that's all I got for you. Anything? What are you doing today, Carrie?
Wow. We're playing Heads Up, 7 Up.
We're playing Heads Up 7 Up.
We're shutting the windows.
All right. Well, that's all I got for you today. It's raining today. Probably just doing some work, like always.
Wowza.
Like always. And every day, keep on strumming ukulele. I'm going to do a B flat today.